Hey, just for your information, this video is only part of the complete video that is linked in the top right hand corner. So should you be interested in more hands-on Galaxy S8 Plus Pro Mod tutorials, definitely go check that out. And now let's get on with this one. Once you're inside the camera app, swipe right across the screen, then select Pro to enter Pro mode. Third option on the right from the bottom is called Picture Profiles. Basically, what it boils down to is in smartphone color grading. Little disclaimer right here before we check out how this works. The more tailored a picture profile is to a given scenario, the less likely you will be able to use it in any other scenario. So, only if I wanted to premeditate or design a shot would I refer to either the presets or a completely custom profile. 99% of the time I leave this set to auto because the auto picture profile usually yields good results in about every situation. But now let's check out how to do this. Now let's do something with this shot. Currently the picture profile is set to standard. These are the presets: breezy, vivid, nostalgic, soft, serene, and the completely custom ones, tone 1 and 2. You can alter any preset except for the standard one, because right there, the little crayon icon on the top, right next to the standard picture profile, is grayed out. Let's come to tone 1 and let's do something right here. Now, always start with an idea. What do I want? I want to make this look like autumn or summer. Way warmer and more welcoming than it does right now. So first thing I could do is up the color temperature considerably. You can make it bluer or yellower. I want to make it warmer. With the tint, you can either go green or magenta. I will go a little magenta. Contrast, I'm not touching right now. Saturation, you could desaturate, or what I want to do, saturate, considerably so. Highlights, could take them back or raise them a little, which is what I choose to do. Shadows, you could bring them up or make them more pronounced. I like them more pronounced. Now contrast, do I even have to alter this? Nah, I actually like it the way it is. Now, once you like what you got, top right corner, hit save. And now, let's take a still with the new picture profile, and let's take one with the standard picture profile so we can compare. Now this is standard, and this is with the altered picture profile. Completely different look. So this is how it works, and as you could see, you can completely change the look and the feel of the picture you're taking. Once again, only do this if you want to premeditate and design a shot. Most of the time, the auto profile will work just fine. So that's it for this tutorial. Once again, this video is just part of the complete video that is linked in the top right hand corner. So again, should you be interested in more hands-on Galaxy S8 Plus Pro Mod tutorials, definitely go check that out. If you liked this one, if you found it helpful, please make sure to leave a thumbs up, it's greatly appreciated. Any kind of comment or feedback is welcome, and I'll try to answer as quickly as possible. All the tech that I've used in this video is linked in the description. As always, thank you so much for your time, thank you for watching, and hopefully see you again soon.